So, we know that each time payment items are exchanged between direct clearers, data is entered into the ACSS to track the total volume and value of items. So, we know that aggregate volume and value data is entered into ACSS streams by each direct clearer that is owed funds as a result of payment exchanges. What happens next in the clearing? A process called netting. At the end of the daily exchange process, ACSS entries, including those for POS and online payments, are used to determine the net positions of the direct clearers. Netting is the process of establishing the amount owed to each FI by adjusting the mutual claims of each one on the other. The ACSS determines the amounts owing between each pair of direct clearers, a process known as bilateral netting. The system also determines the net positions of each FI overall. This process is referred to as multilateral netting. The multilateral net position of each direct clearer is called its clearing balance. Settlement at the Bank of Canada is the next and final step in the clearing and settlement process. It takes place following the end of an ACSS cycle around 11 a.m. each business day. Direct clearers that have a negative ACSS clearing balance are required to send payments for that amount to the Bank of Canada using the CPA's Large Value Transfer System, or LVTS. When the Bank of Canada receives a settlement payment from a direct clearer, it updates that direct clearer's ACSS settlement account records to reflect the payment. Direct clearers with a positive ACSS clearing balance can choose to maintain a positive balance in their ACSS settlement account or reduce the balance by receiving an offsetting LVTS payment from the Bank of Canada. Settlement on the books of the Bank of Canada is final or irrevocable in payment speak. In turn, indirect clearers settle with their respective clearing agents through accounts they maintain with them. For more detailed information on the CPA's role in clearing and settlement, check out our Intro to the CPA session. So, now that we understand how AFT payments travel, let's take a closer look at how the AFT files are formatted and the CPA standard that applies to them.